She won $13,000 and found love in the same night, and it had nothing to do with luck. I'm going to explain to you everything she did so you can apply it too. You know those people who just seem lucky? They win things, they meet people, money shows up, opportunities just seem to fall into place. And you're over here thinking, why is it so easy for them? Why is it just happening when I'm putting in this effort? I want this really, really badly, and it's not showing up. Let me tell you something. It has nothing to do with luck, having a specific audience, or even having a specific look. It has everything to do with their default program. My name is Jenna, and I work with the default program, the nervous system patterns running automatically that interfere with real, lasting change. This isn't mindset, this is mechanics. You're not going to get affirmations here. You're going to get a change to your operating system, which matters the most. I'm going to show you why luck is often just a secure default program in action. When you're secure, you can start to expect lucky things to happen. Luck, when really it's your operating system in alignment. One of my members just recently won $13,000 at a roulette table. She sent me this photo. Then that same night, she went to an after party and she was asked out by her specific person. That morning, she found her car needed a full brake replacement. She had no idea how she was going to pay for it, but she didn't spiral. Instead, she stabilized. She went out anyway. She stayed present. She enjoyed herself. She wasn't gripping. She wasn't trying to figure anything out. She wasn't trying to fix everything to do with life. She wasn't performing. She just remained secure. The money wasn't the manifestation. Her availability was the manifestation. That was the key piece that allowed her to have money and love in the same night. So this is the mechanics of luck. Lucky people do four things differently. One, they don't collapse under stress. Two, they don't narrow their world when uncertainty hits. Three, they stay socially open. And four, they take clean, unattached, inspired action. Security widens your behavioral range where your insecurity narrows it. And when you're bracing, you cancel plans, you withdraw, you overthink, you miss cues, you avoid taking risks. But when you're secure, you show up, you engage, you notice things, you say yes, you act without desperation, you have intuitive hits all of the time. That's not luck, that's your default program in alignment. It's your operating system. Mechanics, not magic. So why did her crush ask her out in the same night? Because secure energy doesn't chase. It doesn't monitor. It doesn't leak need. It's self-contained. It's confident. It's sexy. It's calm. And that changes social dynamics immediately because you are the greatest power in the room. People will lean toward your steadiness, your confidence, your secure state. So here's the truth. When your default program updates, good outcomes will feel normal, not shocking, not rare, expected. She texted me and said, I'm not even surprised, but I won $13,000 at a roulette table. That's when you know your system has completely shifted and you're in the secure default state. You're not overthinking anything. She wasn't grasping at, I need to make 13 grand right now. Lucky people don't get lucky. They get secure. They stabilize themselves first. And when you stabilize yourself into your secure default state, life has more room to organize around you and inspire you to get everything that it is that you want. Just upgrade your default program. That's the real manifestation. That leads to everything that it is that you want because you know the formula. I say it in almost every one of my videos. You ask and it's given. Step one, done. You're asking all of the time. She got that indication she needed to get new brakes. I needed more money. She had 13,000 in her euphoric vision already. So when you go through the default program, it's a foundational set. So you go through different modules. Module 2 is about the euphoric vision. So you get to decide where you want to go, and then I'll take you there. So then she wrote that she needed $13,000 and she wanted the love of her life, but she was more focused on her love because she felt like just her age, she wanted to get to have a relationship with someone that could lead to a family because she wants to have kids, but she's in her 40s and all of that. The logic part of our brain will come in. So, anyway, she had her euphoric vision. So, she got into her default state. So, step one, ask and it's given, have your euphoric vision. Step two, get into your secure default state. Okay, we want to change your default program because most of us would go, okay, I'm gonna go to the casino. If this is part of your story, it's not mine. I don't gamble, and I'm not even saying that anyone should. Okay, I'm just saying that this is what part of her story was that she went to the casino. She felt inspired, and that's what happened. But if you go to the casino and you go, I need this to happen, or this has to happen. Oh, this would be really cool. I'd get to show off with everybody. There's so much need in that. That's not at all what you should be doing. That's not an inspired action. That is not your guidance at all. It's anxiety, and you're trying to fulfill it with an effort, with an action outside of you. It's all an internal game. You will feel it, you will know it, and until you have that desire or you have that internal absolute yes, this is what I'm supposed to be doing right now, do not take action. But once you change your default into security, expect to receive because you are lined up with it. We had to change your old operating system because your old operating system is thinking, well, it has to be hard. I have to be better at this. I have to put in a lot of effort. It's going to take me years to get to where I want to go. The guy's not texting me back, so he clearly doesn't like me. I think he's actually interested in someone else. That's our old default program. Nothing about that secure. So we had to step into our security. And then what happens to step three? Reality changes. Step one, ask and it's given. Already happened. Step two, you can do that simply. We got the whole program there laid out for you. Step three, reality changes. So there's the formula. Ask and it's given. Change your default. Reality changes. You can't mess up. This is all. It's so easy. Manifesting can be so easy, so fast, and right in alignment with everything that it is that you want. But we have to change your operating system. So the operating system is the part that takes a little bit longer. But once you do that work and you change your operating system, it takes like less than 90 days. Once you're there, you will see your entire life change and you'll get instant manifestations from here on out. We just need to build your foundation. You're amazing. Keep asking, keep aligning, and you'll get whatever it is that you want. It's not that hard, I promise.